Welcome to Musure World. Today we're excited to introduce the future of fashion, starting with the Origin Drop sneakers from the metaverse, powered by the Origin Eggs. With Origin Eggs, you can now change the look of your sneakers with limited edition skins. Created by legendary creators, artists, and the Musure community. Collect, equip, and evolve sneaker skins to create a unique look that's totally you. Introducing Origin Sneakers, the first Origin Egg collection featuring 7 Musure World island-based skins, 20 skins by verified creators from around the world, and 4 Creator Quest winner skins. Origin Egg-powered skin allows you to evolve your Origin sneaker and choose drip upgrades and powers. Which path will you choose for your sneaker? The possibilities are endless. The Origin Drop is a Musure membership that grants gratitude for empowering our favorite creators, 3D metaverse-ready files, and exclusive gifts for the next physical drops, events, and tokens. As you journey into the Musure World ecosystem and unlock the full potential of your sneakers, experience the future today. Everyone is a creator, and everything is a game. Musure World.